Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to check out the all-new Acer Nitro V 16S AI gaming laptop, a powerhouse that combines AI acceleration, AMD Ryzen 7 power, and NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics for next-level performance. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that link below to grab this laptop today at the best discounted price available online, because deals like this don't last long. Design and display. Starting with the design, the Nitro V 16S looks sharp and modern with clean lines and that signature Nitro gaming edge. The 16-inch WUXGA IPS display is a gamer's dream: crisp visuals, vivid colors, and most importantly, a blazing fast 180Hz refresh rate. Whether you're into esports or high-speed action games, the smoothness is on another level. Performance and AI power. Under the hood, this beast is fueled by the AMD Ryzen 7 260 processor paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU. Not only do you get excellent gaming performance with ray tracing and DLSS 3, but thanks to 572 AI TOPS, the Nitro V 16S also brings serious AI-driven acceleration. This means faster rendering, smoother gameplay, and optimized system performance tailored to your workload. On top of that, you've got a massive 32GB of RAM, which future-proofs this machine and lets you multitask like a pro, whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing content. Cooling and reliability. Acer's cooling system ensures this laptop stays stable even under heavy gaming loads. Dual fans and advanced thermal design mean less throttling, more performance, and longer gaming marathons without overheating. Audio and connectivity. Audio-wise, the Nitro V delivers clear and immersive sound, making gaming and media consumption much more enjoyable. And with Wi-Fi 6E, HDMI, USB-C, and plenty of ports, you've got all the connectivity you need for peripherals, external monitors, and fast internet. Pros and cons. White check mark emoji. Pros. Ryzen 7 260 processor with next-gen efficiency. RTX 5060 GPU with AI acceleration and DLSS 3. Huge 32GB RAM for multitasking and future-proofing. 180Hz WUXGA IPS display for ultra-smooth visuals. Reliable cooling system for stable long sessions. Warning emoji. Cons. Can feel a bit heavy for frequent travelers. Battery life is average with such high-performance hardware. Final verdict. The Acer Nitro V 16S AI gaming laptop is easily one of the best gaming laptops of 2025 in the performance-to-value category. With its combination of Ryzen AI power, RTX 5060 graphics, and massive 32GB RAM, it's built for gamers who want maximum performance without breaking the bank. Right pointing finger emoji. If you're ready to upgrade your gaming experience, don't wait. Check the link in the description below and grab this laptop at the best discounted deal before it sells out.